I'm going to show you how to change headlamp bulbs, Citroen C1. At least one well-known workshop manual that I've seen recommends removing the battery, but it is actually possible to do the bulbs without removing the battery. We're looking into the back of the right-hand headlight now. If I zoom in, this connector here is for the indicator bulb, and this connector here is for the side light or parking bulb. So on the indicator bulb, take hold of the connector and twist it upwards, which is clockwise, about 1/8 of a turn, and then with just a gentle waggle it'll come out, but you'll need to just twist it this way. Now you will need an amber replacement bulb, and they are bayonet fitting, so push, twist slightly anti-clockwise, pull back out. If you do need to disconnect the connector, push down on that spring and pull off. Take the bulb in through the hole it goes to, lift up the connector, push home, and then twist the connector downwards to lock it in place. The method is much the same for the side light. Twist it about 1/8 or so of a turn clockwise and withdraw. This uses a W5W bulb, which pulls out and pushes in. Because this car is not a CAN bus car, if you wish to use an LED bulb, you can. Now you will need to orientate these bulbs correctly when you put it back in. The spring that you push to release the connector should be on the bottom. Push the bulb through its hole and then twist anti-clockwise about 1/8 of a turn. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked in place okay. Now the headlight bulb is more fiddly proposition, so I'm going to bring the camera in to the back of the headlight bulb. First of all, pull off the connector, and this is your view of the headlight bulb. Now this wire clip, and it clips in at the top here. You need to push it slightly to one side and release, and the clip folds down. You can now pull the bulb out. The headlight bulb in these cars is an H4. It must go back in that way up, single tang uppermost, but with the clip opened out. Push the bulb in. Now when you're putting the halogen bulb back into place, look through the headlight. If you start with the bottom portion exactly level and then twist it slightly clockwise, you'll find it'll suddenly go into position. When you lift up the clip, simply push it forwards and it clips into place. And there it is in position. The two bulbs should look exactly the same as you look at them through the lens. When you're handling halogen headlamp bulbs, only handle them by the metal part, the base. Don't handle the glass. The left-hand headlight, the method is exactly the same. Hope that was helpful. Give it a like, pass on any comments or experience you have, and I'll see you next time.